Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show how to fix Spotify pausing your songs. It's a very easy and simple process and it works both on your Android as well as on your iPhone and same for your laptop and on PC. So let's begin. First of all, just open a Spotify app and once the app is opened, what we have to do is just tap on the settings, and once you have tapped on your settings, and you can see over here it's written data saver, and below it it's written audio quality. So what you have to do is you have to make sure that this option is disabled, it is not enabled. If it's enabled like this, just tap on it and make it disabled. So once you have disabled this, so if you are playing a playlist, so a song, if one song is finished, the other song will not be stopped and the playlist will be continued. So this is the process to how to fix Spotify pausing your songs.